Rortos Airlines Flight 350 is heading on a trip to China from Antarctica. The plane is flying in Australia, where some of the worst wildfires began. There are 42 passengers on board. The pilots have to look out for flying animals, because if they don't, then one of the flying animals might get into their engines. And the passengers are worried about that too. It seems like a nice, hot and sunny day for Rortos Airlines Flight 350 to fly to China. But maybe not. But then, suddenly, a whole bunch of flying birds appear in their path. The captain tries to turn around, but it may be too late. And then, some birds get caught in the engines, and then the plane goes into a dive. The captain tries to pull up, and then the plane moves back towards level. But there's a problem. All of the engines have failed. And there's another problem. The altitude is dropping. And the captain realizes that he won't be able to fly without engine power. The pilots are gonna have to make an emergency water landing. He puts low power on all the engines, and he tells the passengers to prepare for impact. As the passengers prepare for impact, the plane makes a high-speed impact into the sea. After the high-speed impact, all 42 passengers make it to the emergency exits. But they must hurry because there is a problem. The aircraft is filling with freezing water. That means that the aircraft is about to sink. So the passengers must hurry to the emergency exits. The passenger makes it to the wing exit. And then, all the other passengers make it out safely. The front of the aircraft is damaged and destroyed, including in the back of the aircraft. But luckily, everyone on the aircraft has survived, including all the pilots and the crew members. In the end, all 42 passengers and 4 crew members are brought to safety. Even though the passengers forgot their luggage, luckily they all survived the crash.